Tim.
Ross.
Mate. You've got a project here.
Yeah, we have. We've got some challenges. We've got a few hurdles to jump over, but it's not insurmountable. A bit of effort and attention and it'll come up well.
So where do you start?
This wall is our starting point. It's not in keeping with the house. We're going to render it in a sand finish cement. We're then going to paint it, give it a coat of paint. We're going to address the grass and the gardens. So the reticulation is in pretty poor state. We've got lots of dead patches all over the place. What we're going to do is spray out the weeds. We're then going to tidy up the existing grass. We'll then top dress it. We'll overseed that with a cereal rye. Within about 4 to 6 weeks, the grass will look fabulous again. It'll be nice and green. Then what we'll do is the gardens. The gardens lack definition. So what we're going to be doing is cleaning all of those up, replacing a lot of dead plants, mulching the gardens. We'll put a bit of organic soil improver in there so when spring comes along, the plants will bounce out and really just go through and give the whole place a thorough tidy up.
So just a small job, really.
Not much. 15, 20 minutes, Mark, we'll have it all done. I've got the shovel in the back of the car.
Very good.